Hi everybody, Paul here again. If you have any power equipment that uses drive belts, I want to show you a simple trick that'll make the drive belts and the entire drive belt system last a lot longer. So stay tuned. So what most people will do is once they start the engine, they'll engage the drive belts while the engine is running at full operating speed. The problem is when it's done this way, it puts tremendous stress on the drive belts and the entire drive belt system. So in order to avoid this, do it this way instead. Once the engine is started, lower the engine speed to a low idle, then engage the drive belts, and then raise the engine up to full operating speed. Also, before disengaging the drive belt system, first lower the engine speed to an idle. I promise that if you do this, you'll put a lot less stress on all the drive belts and on the entire drive belt system, making it last longer, and life will be good. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky. Wait.